one brush. Hang on, not quite. Put the spring on it. There we go. The other. It's trying to go. So there's something. Okay, you can smell it burning a little bit. All right, we're not done with this one. All right, we're back with the Makita angle grinder. The armature and some new bearings and some new brushes came in today. So let's pop this thing open. It's been a while for me. So let me see. No, I didn't put the brushes back in. Okay, I set them. I set the springs aside. So no brushes, no cord either. I've got a new cord for it as well. Okay, let's take a look at this thing. You come out of there. There was a nut on the inside holding the pinion gear in, and that's what was holding it in. And I got a rag on it because I heated it up thinking that was gonna get it out of there. The bearing should just come out now. Or snot. Okay. There's an O-ring in there. It feels okay. Let's see if the just a touch more on that. All right. The clip back in there. There we go. All right. I'm put it in the vise, tighten it down just a touch more. All right, let's see. Pops off here. Nice and easy. There it goes. All right. Does this slide off, or does I have to do the same thing again? You really pressed on a piece of plastic. Back on. Let's see here. So I got to do all this in Italian because I live in Italy and I'm not fluent in Italian. I speak enough to get by, but that's about it. So it's always a mystery if I'm getting the correct grease. All right, I got it back together. It was just really tight. I don't know why it was so tight. It did not want to go. So, and I'm not sure this thing's going to work anyway. Okay, so there's that. I got gloves on now because I was cooking dinner. My hands were nasty. I washed my hands, didn't get the stuff out from underneath my nails, put gloves on, got dinner situated. I still have the gloves on. So that's all that is. Put the new brushes in. Yeah, they go that way, and goes down on that pin there, if I recall correctly. I have several projects going on at once, so my tools are all spread out. Okay, there's that one. And the same thing here. Goes on this little clip. All right. All right, well, I guess we wait until that comes in. So I'm going to put a new cord on this, but I'm not going to do it until I get the cord saver. I've ordered some cord savers because a lot of these are torn up, and I thought I had the old one, but I might have used it on something else because I know some of them were missing cords and cord savers, and one of the cord savers was cut completely in half. So we'll come back to this. All right. Okay, so I got some cord savers in, and I'm going to go ahead and put this back together again, get it wired up. You know what? That's got to go in. No. Let's see, did you come around that way maybe? There we go. Okay. Okay. All right, let's see if she works. Should work. And it does not. All right, so what did I do wrong? All right, I had to mess around a little bit off camera because I really wasn't sure what was going on, but I think what it was the way this switch is it's got just a plastic bracket that clicks on the actual switch, and I don't think it was seated all the way after I put it together the first time. So I took it all back apart. This time I made sure it clicked, put it back together. Let's get it. So this has a new armature, new brushes, and new bearings, and it's going to be a great little grinder addition to my shop. Nothing wrong with that.